It's been a while since I've released a video. I've been riding throughout the summer, but it's just been so hot I've struggled to get out and explore. But we're getting a cooler day here and there. And by that I mean, you get the 90s with tons of humidity. It rained right as I was leaving, but I still went for it in hopes the weather would hold out. I drove out near Austin to ride the Great Escape at Muleshoe Bend Park. This is rated as a green, but I think it was more of a blue trail. The signage was unbelievable on this trail. I never got lost or checked my phone once. Whew, that's a hard turn. Oh, big climb. I know I'm not making all this. Wow. So I have been working on my climbing, but not that much. Whoa. Man, it is cool in here. I don't know how I've never even heard of this place before. My front tire is a little overinflated, but I must have sealant stuck in the valve, so I can't really let any air out. Hopefully that doesn't hurt me later. Wow, there's like, whoa, there goes that front tire slipping. That's a lot of poop. There's a fair bit of flow here. It appeared to have a lot of flow at first, but the first part of the trail is all descending for a while, which is pretty rare in Texas. So according to the thing I read on, I think it was MTV Project, this trail's best ridden clockwise, and the sign's all face clockwise apparently. So that's the way I'm going. I figure it was engineered for the most fun that way. And so far it has really been fun. This is great. This is gonna be a tough climb. I don't know if I'm gonna make it, but let's at least try it. Oh boy, come on. Oh my God, still going. Oh man, no way I'm gonna make that. Still made it way farther than I figured I would. This is what I call a Cobra Kyle climb. Still proud I made it at least that far. I had a bad habit of not even trying. I'd look at a climb and say, might as well just start walking. I think part of the reason I haven't heard much about this place, hold on, is it's so close to Spider Mountain It's also close to Reveille Peak Ranch, and it's pretty close to Austin. So maybe it just doesn't get the attention from everybody since there's so many other great options near it. I gotta say, it rewards you nicely. You do some climbing, and you do a little descending, then some more climbing and some descending again, it seems like. Oh. Alright. God, that tree really is close. Glad I didn't stop and look at that too long. It would have gotten in my head. Not very confident in my turns right now with how full this front tire is. I can feel it slipping and sliding over these rocks. What in the hell was that?
This was where the trail got really loose. There were lots of loose climbs, some areas that looked like ultrafine rocks or sand on the ground. The beginning part of the trail is really where it shines. The rest is good, but not as exciting, unfortunately.
Oh, good Lord, this is loose. Oh. That's just loose rock. Oh man. Been climbing for like the last mile now. It's getting pretty brutal. I think it's starting to flatten out though. One more descent would be cool, but I think I'm at the end. There's my truck. Oh well. Overall, I think that was a really good trail. Got a new truck recently. Pretty happy with that. I'll be putting a camper top on it so I can do just that, do some camping in it. It's also for work, but I do a little camping in the bed in summer and winter. In summer, I'm going to put the tailgate down and put a piece of wood in with an air conditioner in it if I have a campsite with electricity. Man, this truck's so much taller than my old one. Comes with a 2-inch lift from the factory. So it's already a tall truck, but it makes it a little bit harder to reach for how short I am.
I was pleasantly surprised by this trail. If you're in the area, check it out. It's $5 per person to enter the park, and the trail is really well marked. I hope to get back on releasing videos more often. Thanks for checking this one out. Please click the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already.
So people are hiding or placing rocks all in the trees out here. It's like a weird Easter egg thing. Very weird. Wow, look at that one.